Hi, my name is Namnyaki, and I'm going to talk with you about the finance and administration policies and tools. In this video, we'll provide a brief description of the finance and administration policy and procedures tools. This tool is the part of HoneyGuide toolkit and is an important tool for any WMA that is determined to strengthen the overall management of their finance and administration issues. The Finance and Administration Policy and Procedure System provides the WMA with the principal roles, authorities, and responsibilities for essential management of the financial transactions, activities, and decisions. But this system is not something that can be considered in isolation. It is an integral part of the whole WMA management system and is among the tools that the WMA needs in its toolbox. The HoneyGuide Toolkit is a collection of essential management tools and helps to deliver WMA to a level of management that is considered professional. They are tools that almost all organizations or business should be using. These tools set up the foundation for the governing members of the WMA to provide oversight, as they are all approved by the AA. They also help to empower the management, provide clarity on how business should be conducted in the WMA, and provide partners, stakeholders, and their governing body transparency on how management conducts their day-to-day business operations. My name is Namnyaki, and I'm going to take you through this tool, why you need it, what is within the tool, what are the output of the tools, how to develop it. We at HoneyGuide are here to help you, and if need to contact me for any question or help, please email here help@honeyguide.org. Why do we need this policy? It will be difficult if everyone and anyone in the WMA could make any financial decision, as it could cause financial difficulties in the WMA. That's why it is important for the WMA to have the policies and procedures to be followed in each financial transaction. Without finance and administration policy, you have a high risk of breaking the country's laws, causing a bad image and losing trust of the WMA in the eyes of the stakeholders. A good finance and administration policy and procedure system will empower the WMA team by providing the policies and procedures which assist everyone in the WMA to have a clear understanding of what they are expected and allowed to within their financial assets. This will make task execution so much easier and will build reputation, trust, and relationship among community members and other stakeholders because of the good moral and conduct of employees which are directed by such principles. When the WMA complies with the finance and administration policy and procedure system, it implies that the WMA is managed professionally. Hence, all the resources are used efficiently and effectively for the benefit of the community and the future generations. The finance and administration policy and procedure systems of the WMA is primarily owned by the accountant. He or she is responsible for handling all financial transactions and safeguarding the assets of the WMA on a daily basis in compliance with the WMA finance and administration policy and country's regulations as well. He or she is also responsible for the preparation of various financial reports to the management and respective authorities for a specified period of time. For the WMA to have a good finance and administration system in place, it is advised to have first a good finance and administration policy. This is a document which governs all the financial activities within the WMA and is approved by the AA. I've given you the description of the policy. Now let me talk about manual, which sets down the rules and procedures for implementing the policy. It explains how tasks are done in adherence to the policy. The manuals contain the following: principal procedures, hierarchy of financial decision making, various accounting procedures such as auditing, authorization and approvals, banking and petty cash, budgets, income and expenses, investments, procurement, asset management, office management, forex exchange management. The final part is the tools for the systematic recording of all WMA financial transactions in the accounting system. This should be in a professional accounting software like QuickBooks. It should be simple, clear, compatible with the WMA activities, as well as flexible enough to meet the changing needs of the WMA. The most and major output of the finance and administration system is the provision of various financial reports within a specific period of time, be it daily, quarterly, or annually. These reports are the snapshot of the financial health of the WMA, as they provide insight into all the financial performance, operations, and cash flow position. These financial reports are used as a means of communicating the financial performance of the WMA to the management, AA, community, and other stakeholders, and are very vital in making current and future financial decisions of the WMA. To develop a finance and administration policy and procedure system, you may begin by dedicating an accounting team who will be responsible for implementing the system to gather some basic accounting information through listening, observing the current accounting practices, and perusing the current accounting transactions of the WMA. They should also gather information about expectations of the WMA stakeholders. Thereafter, they document all the information gathered and think about providing it in compliance with the country's laws and regulations. If you do not have anything in place, you may start by working on the following stages of developing a policy. Identify who will take a lead responsibility. Gather information from different users and departments in the WMA. Consult with appropriate stakeholders on what they need to see in place. Think about the procedures for implementing the policy. Think of how you will monitor, review, and revise the policy. The policy should be very simple but precise, clear, and not having ambiguities, as it can always be reviewed and revised in the future. Now, let's think about the manual, which is the how-to-do of the policy. This requires technical professions who, by using the policy, developed a manual on how their financial and accounting systems will work. Within Hanega's management toolbox, we have templates for the WMA finance and administration policy, the manual, QuickBooks setup instructions, and financial reports. These templates will help you to develop your finance and administration systems and procedures faster within just a few customizations. We have experts who can advise and work with your team to set up the entire finance and administration policy system and procedures if needed. Thanks for watching this video. This is Namnyaki. You're very welcome to reach out to me for any question, suggestion, advice as you embark in preparing your finance and administration policy.